everyone once again and a very warm welcome to More TV. So let's begin our today's program. I know Umesh ji has been waiting very patiently. So Umesh ji, just give me 2 minutes and I will hand over the mic to you. So today, as you all know, we're going to be talking about traveling and especially how it is different for senior citizens. So basically, जब भी हम traveling की बात कर रहे हैं, I can only think of this quote that, fill your life with experiences and not things. Have lots and lots of stories to tell. So traveling, the beauty of the cold hills, the charm of the valleys, the chirping of the birds, the songs of the river, the howling of the animals, the pleasant air, quiet places, all these can heal many of our mental and physical problems. And when it comes to traveling needs for our seniors, the needs due to various factors, including both emotional and physical, makes it very, very different. So for today's show, we have with us Mr. Umesh from Care Voyage. So as you all know, Care Voyage is a 4-year-old Gurgaon-based travel and experience company serving people over the age of 50 for various domestic and international locations through exciting and engaging tours. So far, they have conducted 90 plus tours to places like Australia, New Zealand, USA, Russia, Bhutan, and many, many more. So before I introduce you to Mr. Umesh, I would just put on a video which gives you an insight of the kind of tours that they take on. So that was all about the tours that Care Voyage has been doing, and many more which have not been added here. So taking on further with the program, I'm going to now introduce you all to Mr. Umesh, who is also the co-founder of Care Voyage. We all have met Shefali already. Umesh ji is coming to our platform for the first time. So a very warm welcome to you, Mr. Umesh. So ladies and gentlemen, just to tell you a little more about him, he is an IIM management graduate with 15 plus years of experience in business management and strategy. At Care Voyage, he ensures that the service is delivered with innovation, itinerary differentiation, and long-term planning to create value for the segment. In short, he is responsible for the recipe which creates the value difference in senior citizen travel. So more on this. So over to you, Mr. Umesh, and thank you so much for joining us here today and looking forward to today's session with you.
Thanks a lot, Ritu. Thanks a lot. In fact, last 15 minutes, I have been observing. I saw the video. It brings so much smile on me seeing our own videos. It becomes nostalgic. So many trips I have done. Second most important thing, दो तीन बातें हुई. I noticed. I wrote it down. I wanted to say before I start blabbering. ये देश नहीं चलता नहीं मचलता है. This is an awesome logo. I'm going to put it somewhere. और दूसरा, I noted down. Savita ma'am said, स्वस्थ रहे मस्त रहे. This is the bottom line of what we have to do in life. Thanks for this nice lesson. And Ritu, thank you for calling me G. After a long time, I realized that yes, I am also on the other side of 40. So before much ado, मेरी तरफ से sincere thanks for this time and after a day's work at 4 o'clock discussing, it is really an enriching feeling. मुझे भी energy आती है. It is good. I am Umesh, co-founder of Care Voyage. Shefali is the brain behind it, and I try to bring in different and innovative things here. We will explain this in time. With me is my colleague Sheetal. She is a travel experience manager. She works along with she is a frontline work along with Shefali, tries to bring in as much customization as possible on the field. इससे पहले मैं कुछ ज्यादा बोलूं, मेरे को एक छोटी सी कहानी याद आ रही है और मैंने आप लोगों से ही सीखा है. ये जो चल रहा है ये आप लोगों से ही सीख के ये किया है. तो करीब 5 साल पहले जब शेफाली ने ये थॉट दिमाग में आया था कि वी शुड स्टार्ट समथिंग अबाउट सीनियर ट्रैवल आफ्टर आवर एक्सपीरियंस विद आवर पेरेंट्स, तो हम लोग आके यहाँ पे काफी अपने दोस्तों से, अपने पेरेंट्स से भी पूछा. तो जैसे बच्चे पेरेंट्स को सच नहीं बोलते, पेरेंट्स भी बच्चों को हमेशा सच नहीं बोलते. तो वी हैड टू गो टू माय फ्रेंड्स, पेरेंट्स, कलीग्स एंड ट्राई एंड अंडरस्टैंड किस तरह से हम इसको बेहतर कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि हमारे पास कोई टेम्पलेट नहीं था. उस वक्त कोई ऐसी बड़ी कंपनी भी नॉर्थ में नहीं थी, और जितनी भी बड़ी कंपनी थी या तो वो बहुत ही महंगे सॉल्यूशंस दे रही थी जो हम अफोर्ड नहीं कर पाते, या फिर इतना जेनेरिक था जहाँ पे neither we would want our parents to go nor anybody would. So there was a gap. तो एक पर्टिकुलर डिस्कशन मुझे बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग लगा और मुझे याद आ रहा है, तो मैं आपसे उससे शेयर करूंगा. तो वो मेरे कलीग के फादर हैं. तो मैं और शिफाली हम लोग वहाँ बैठ के उनसे डिस्कस कर रहे. तो हमने कहा कि देखिए ये थॉट है, हम सीनियर सिटीजन ट्रैवल के बारे में या सीनियर सर्विसेज के बारे में सोच रहे हैं. तो हम चाहते हैं कि हम जो ट्रिप्स करें वो it should be kind of peace, relaxation and stuff like that. Even before I could finish, stopped me and said, "Beta, रहने दे. We don't want peace anymore. बहुत शांति है, बहुत serenity है. We want fun, we want sophistication, and if you can bring in quality in it." Again, अब ये तीनों नई चीजें थी. मैं भी इस इंडस्ट्री से नहीं था. शिफाली को कुछ समझ थी कि she understood about quality, she understood about being prompt in service. बट ये चीजें डेली आइटनरीज में, टूर में कैसे, हाउ वी कैन इम्बाइब, दैट वाज अ क्वेश्चन. तो ये एक्सप्लोर कर रहे थे, सोच रहे थे. तो इसी बीच वी गॉट टू सी समथिंग इन अ डिफरेंट इंडस्ट्री. आप लोग सब उसको यूज करते हैं, अभी भी यूज कर रहे हैं. जूम, तनिष्क, चायोज, इन सब चीजों में हमने देखा. तो इन्होंने क्या किया है कि एक बेसिक सर्विस को लेके इनकी क्वालिटी, इनका डिलीवरी, इनको गेस्ट तक ले जाने का तरीका इतना बेहतर कर दिया है कि इट हैज बिकम अ स्टैंडर्ड नाउ. तो इन्हीं चीजों को हम लोगों ने, क्वालिटी को, सोफिस्टिकेशन को, स्टेटमेंट को, इस तरह को इम्प्रूव करने की बहुत कोशिश की. और इसी इम्प्रूवमेंट में हम लोगों ने रियलाइज किया कि हमको करना क्या है. तो हम जब क्वालिटी की बात करते हैं तो क्वालिटी इंप्रूवमेंट के लिए हम 2-3 चीजें इंश्योर करते हैं. जैसे हैंड पिक्ड होटल्स जो सीनियर सर्टिफाइड हो. सीनियर सर्टिफिकेशन आज कोई देता नहीं है, तो वी हैव अ सेट ऑफ पैरामीटर्स जिसपे हम सेलेक्ट करते हैं उस लोकेशन में बेस्ट ऑफ द लॉजिस्टिक्स स्विचेस, बिकॉज इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. जब 2 घंटे 3 घंटे लोग ट्रैवल करते हैं तो इट हैज टू बी आइदर above average or best. So those kind of nuances which we put in everyday itinerary so that we are able to improve the quality. दूसरी important चीज जो होती है वो है फन फैक्टर क्वोशेंट. अब हम और आप एक फन फैक्टर क्वोशेंट को जस्टिफाई नहीं कर सकते. कितनी तेजी से भाग रहा है वो जस्टिफाई कर. फन फैक्टर कैसे? फन हमने एक्सपीरियंस किया है कि जब आप अपने चाहने वालों के साथ हो, इस ग्रुप के साथ हो, एक दूसरे को जानते हो, यू शेयर एंड एक्सचेंज डायलॉग, देयर इज अ सोशल डिस्कशन. वो एक फन फैक्टर को एनहेंस करता है. पहले अब हम भी अभी भी क्या होता है, काफी कंपनीज के साथ 10 इधर से आ गए, 5 उधर से आ गए, एंड दे मिक्स अप एंड देन दे गो. देयर इज नो कामराडरी विद इन द टीम, जिसकी वजह से इंडियन टीम हारी भी परसों. तो these kind of fun, these kind of group like-mindedness, itinerary में tweaking, not including more than 18 to 21 people, इसकी वजह से क्वालिटी में ये छोटी छोटी चीजें हैं जो बहुत डिफरेंशिएट करती हैं एक नॉर्मल एक्सपीरियंस और एक गुड एक्सपीरियंस को. इसी तरह हम एक और चीज करते हैं जिसमें हम जितने भी हमारे गेस्ट होते हैं उनका हम एक डिस्कशन से या फॉर्म से ये पता करते हैं कि उनकी टेस्ट, लाइक, डिसलाइक क्या है, जिसकी वजह से हम उनका टूर में जितना हो सके उतना हम स्पेसिफिक अटेंशन दे पाए. ये एक प्रोसेस है हमारे लिए, ये एक जर्नी है. हम हर ट्रिप में सीखते हैं, उससे समझते हैं और उसको इम्प्लीमेंट करते हैं, जिसकी वजह से हर रोज हम लोग कुछ ना कुछ नया लेके आते हैं. और एक्टिविटीज में, फन क्वोशेंट में, सोफिस्टिकेशन में, जैसे कि आप सभी जानते हैं, जैसे इंडिया से टूरिस्ट बाहर जाते हैं तो वहां पे अगर हम वी कम आउट, इफ वी कम अक्रॉस एज अ इंडियन ब्रांडेड टूरिस्ट, इट मेक्स अ डिफरेंट स्टेटमेंट टू द अदर कंट्रीज. इन सब चीजों का ध्यान रखते हैं. और जब हमने ये शुरुआत किया, वी डिड नॉट नो दैट, ऑनेस्टली वी डिड नॉट नो दैट दिस विल बिकम सो सक्सेसफुल. नाउ as Ritu mentioned, we have close to 90 plus, around 97, 98 trips are there, despite the 2 years of almost shutdown in COVID. All our guests come from word of mouth. Yes, we have flyers, promo, but all our guests come with a reference, and we try and not do everything for everybody, but we try and do what we can assure that the best can be available. इन्हीं सब चीजों की वजह से आज सिर्फ हम अफ्रीका और अंटार्कटिका शायद अभी तक नहीं हुआ है, जो होपफुली हम 2022 में हम इसको लॉन्च करेंगे. तो यही हमारी कहानी है और हम एक एक स्टेप हर रोज लेके चलते हैं. शेफाली was fortunate enough to get a few women entrepreneurial awards in the last couple of years. कोविड में यही अच्छा हुआ है हमारे साथ, and we are coming back gradually in here. So this is our story, this is our brand proposition. इसी चीजों के साथ हम डिफरेंशिएट करने की कोशिश करते हैं. यही हमारी छोटा सा एक प्रेजेंटेशन था. I would request Ritu, maybe we can share our itinerary here, or maybe we can discuss about the upcoming calendars and maybe have an interactive session जहाँ पे हम we can explain what is good, what can be done better, and how we can bring in the comfort level and trust.
I think we can have an open session with the itinerary if you want to share, because we've already shared the calendar with all our elders. But if you want to show a very quick look to it, we can do that.
Sheetal, do you have it? Or just hang on one moment.
Because Shefali had shared it with us and we have sent it to all our elders. So we've already done that.
So I will just narrate it once. Hopefully it will be a little... So right now, most of the trips are close to India oriented, because Bahar Jana, except for Maldives. So we have an upcoming trip in Maldives. Except for Maldives, Bahar Jana is a little dicey. So we are looking at Dwarka and Somnath December mein. Again, December mein Odisha is there. Pondicherry is in December. So December mein Dwarkadhish, Odisha and Pondicherry is there. January में द्वारका, सोमनाथ again, Hampi and Goa and Andaman in January. Shefali is actually unable to join because she is now in Andaman only. So, and in February we have Sundarban and Shantiniketan. We are aspiring to have South Africa in the month of Feb. Let us see how it pans out. So ये more or less हमारा itinerary और plan है, और इनके बारे में अगर आप कोई भी जानकारी लेना चाहते हैं या ओवरऑल हमारे बारे में और कुछ जानना चाहते हैं, I'll be happy to discuss. Thank you.
उमेश जी, can I request you to, जैसे कोई अगर आपका कोई टूर हुआ हो, what special considerations that you kind of looked into for the elders as such, whether it was traveling from the bus or it was walking or the rooms, or what specifications were looked into?
Correct. So I will tell the process how it works. There is a spectrum of services which is available. There is a spectrum of types it is available, and there are spectrum of people. Now हम ये कोशिश करते हैं कि जिन लोगों का इंटरेस्ट है उनके हिसाब से जो लोकेशन में जा रहा है, हर ट्रिप में हम ये कोशिश नहीं करते कि we touch every base points. Of course anybody can do that, but the thing is we go at 2 places maximum or 3 places based on the comfort level of the guest, so that it is ideally placed, ज़्यादा exert भी ना हो और bore भी ना हो. Second is the activity planning which we do. It is purely curated. हम एक छोटा सा statistical tool है जिसको हम लोग use करते हैं to understand what kind of personality and what kind of activities will match. काफी बार आप देखिएगा कि आप अपने दोस्तों के साथ, अपने क्लोज रिलेशनशिप के साथ अगर आप ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं, यू एंजॉय इट द मोस्ट. नॉट योर किड्स, नॉट योर फैमिली मेंबर्स, बट ग्रुप ऑफ फ्रेंड्स. इसकी वजह ये होता है, इसका जो प्राइमरीली वजह ये होता है कि देयर इज you have known each other for over time, acquaintance है, you know what to do, what kind of actions are there, activities are there, what kind of food you like, ये naturally हो जाता है. लेकिन जब हम एक एडहॉक क्रिएटेड ग्रुप के साथ ट्रैवल करते हैं, 2 लोगों को हम जानते हैं, 10 लोगों को नहीं जानते, टूर मैनेजर का क्या प्लान है, वो सब चीजें अलग होती है. और ऊपर से अगर आप बहुत सारे लोग एक साथ अगर जाते हैं तो गाड़ियों में भी भीड़ होती है, लोकेशन में जहां जा रहा है वहां पे भी, इफ यू आर गोइंग सम if there is an excursion or if there is a site visit, there is also more number of people and more commotion that reduces the value of satisfaction. इसी वजह से काफी बार ऐसा होता है कि despite doing it as a fun activity, people end up unhappy. और एक important चीज होती है, इन चीजों को एक anybody who has unlimited amount of money or can buy these things, it can be very expensive. So the thing is expensive, time और energy, दोनों में से एक, तीनों में से 2 ही चीजें चूज कर सकते हैं. तो अगर हम if we are able to bring that, what we are doing is basically bringing in curated quality service at a budget rate, because of which most of us are able to experience multiple trips. I can proudly say कि जितने भी हमारे guests हैं अभी, they have all come back again and they have referred more to people. इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि we have been 100% all the time, but we are ensuring that we put our best efforts, और जो best available resources है उसके through हम we provide a good service. Yes, ma'am. Rashmi, ma'am, I think you have raised your hand.
Yeah, Mr. Umesh, it's so nice to see bright speakers like you. So one already gets, kind of ready to do what you're saying. And
Thank you,
I'm 70 years young. You can see on the screen, I'm wearing a blue dress. So this is what it is. Sorry for not coming on the screen. But I have a query, which is, I still want to travel. I go abroad to my children, but I want to travel in country. But the only question that comes to my mind, and thankfully I don't have comorbidities, so it's nothing like major that one needs to take care of. But one thing that sometimes stops me from doing this is that how will I be taking it, even if it is positive anxiety, how will I be taken care of if I have any medical, reasons for the place that I go. And second query is that I now at this point of time in life, I like to, especially more so now, I did before also, I would like to be traveling in the most comfortable way. Like if you go to another city, how do you go from one place to the other? Are the taxis in good conditions that we go with, or the transport that we get is good? So these are the two queries that I have. One is the medical and the other is transport.
Sure. So the most first thing about the medical part, we usually, until unless when we take the inputs from people themselves, like you said yourself, that these are the challenges which you have. So we take the documents and we share it with the hotel, and they usually decent hotels, those which, that is what is the selection process we have. We ensure that there is always a doctor on call or a resident, or like Maldives where we are going, they have a resident doctor there. So there we ensure that these kind of discussions are shared with them, and in case of any contingency, there are support groups which provide. Like I remember Shefali, I think 2018 somewhere, or late 2018, she had gone to Australia, New Zealand, and there was a challenge which had come up. So when we are connected to the local doctor, it was in Australia, local doctor, local community, these helps naturally come in. Mm-hmm. But of course, there is always a hard stop where one can beyond which you have to take a certificate, or we have to ensure a compliance, government compliance to do that. So I will request, first best case, if you share the reports with us, and of course we will consult with your doctor, and if those are within the limitations, we will share it with all the hotels which we take. They have resident doctors or doctor on call 24/7, so that this can be accessed.
Okay.
Your second question was regarding the logistics part. So logistics part, as you know, it can be from penny wise, it can be very, very reasonable to very, very expensive. But we try and optimize the thing in terms of quality and cost. Like in Kashmir, what we did, we had Innovas for all maximum for 3 people, or for 2 couples. And why we did Innova was because if there is a reason behind we have smaller groups, so that we can maintain them. Because this, if you go, I'm sure when you have gone to Europe, you would have seen that a 20-seater Mercedes is much, much more comfortable than a 20-seater Porsche vehicle here. So we, until unless it is not available, we had places in India where it was Innova was not there, or not willing to travel, or we could not get 7 or 8 Innovas at a time. We could not get Mercedes. We do that. So we do the best optional solution which we have. We, like Dwarka Somnath we are going, we have actually struggled a lot to get a very, very good bus there, which is a Mercedes bus. And
okay,
so this is what we try and do every time. It is also about how much effort one is putting.
Mr. Umesh, I would like to know.
One last question. I would like to travel with fun-loving people, because my generation, some people are very, fastpots, and this is not good and that is not good. So I would like to travel with my like-minded people. What have you to say about that?
I see. Yes, fun-loving is different. Like fun-loving for somebody who is 20-year-old is different. Fun-loving for 40-year-olds is different. Fun-loving for 60-year-old is different. So that is why we have a discussion with the people to understand fun-loving. Maybe you would love to have a half a kilometer walk, or have a nature spot picnic where you have a discussion, or maybe play table tennis. I don't know. That will come out when we have we share a one-to-one discussion, and then when we have 20. Suppose we have 30 interests, we take invitations from inputs from everybody, and we figure out that the 20 most compatible people, 20, 21, 22 most compatible people can form a group and go. That is how we try and do. Usually people come with their friends and family, so that is how it is
Thank you so much, Umesh. Thank you so much.
Mr. Umesh, I would like to know.
Rashmi, where do you plan to go? Would you please reveal
Wherever Umesh takes me.
I'll join.
Mr. Umesh.
I'll join.
Yeah, you see how you adjust single person when you go for a stay.
Yes. So it depends.
Because I am all single. I am interested for Dwarka Somnath. I am at Ahmedabad.
Okay.
So
you are in Ahmedabad.
Yeah.
So you
I
can be.
I had been to Dwarka Somnath several times, but I would like to travel with a group.
Great, sir. So single.
I know the each and every place there.
Sir, then you can help us there.
Sure. Why not?
Yeah. So I will tell you there are two things. If people usually there are a number of times there are single senior citizens as well who come together, and that becomes easier for people to spend the evenings together. So that is one way of doing it. Some people next month we are going to November we are going to Maldives. So some people specifically say no, I need a separate room. So there we can do that. At times, Shefali shares a room with many aunties who want to, stay with Shefali because they discuss a lot. So yes, we can do anything which we want. If you are interested, I will request Sheetal to call you and give the details. Maybe we will learn from you and how to improve the process. That can be done.
Yeah, sure. So book me for Somnath and Dwarka for November.
Prakash, you can let Gurdeep know. She will get the needful done.
Okay.
Everything, whatever, in case you all are interested, you can let your relationship managers know, and they will then reach out to you. Any other questions? हाँ जी मिस्टर भामरी, आप म्यूट पे हो।
हाँ उमेश जी, ये बताइए कि आप फूड का कैसे करते हैं, क्योंकि हम लोगों के लिए फूड इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. हाउ डू यू टाई अप विद फूड?
या आपको देख के देवानंद की याद आ रही है.
Hey देवानंद.
ओह थैंक यू.
Sure sir, I know your cap was anyway. सर फूड का ऐसा है,
इवन आप मेरे साथ बात करते रहिए, आप मैं एक्टिंग भी कर लेता हूँ.
तो सर फूड का जब हम इनपुट लेते हैं तो बहुत सारे लोग इंडिया में जनरली 3 तरह के डिविजन्स हैं फूड पे. जैन फूड विच इज अ वेरी नीड्स लॉट्स ऑफ अटेंशन. वेजिटेरियन फूड इंडिया में यू आर ऑल्सो अवेयर मिल जाता है. नॉन वेजिटेरियन फूड की कोई मतलब ज्यादा मोस्ट एक्सप्लोरेटिव फीचर्स. हम फोकस करते हैं कि किस जगह पे लोग जैन फूड ये कर रहे हैं, तो वी ट्राई एंड सेग्रीगेट. वंस वी सेग्रीगेट दैट वी एंश्योर दैट द क्वालिटी ऑफ फूड व्हिच इज प्रिपेयर्ड. जनरली क्या होता है, होटल में ही हम ब्रेकफास्ट और डिनर का ये करते हैं, और जिस होटल में रहते हैं उनको स्टैंडर्ड इंस्ट्रक्शंस होते हैं अनटिल अनलेस समबडी. और इस ये पे हमारे आई थिंक पोस्ट 45 मेटाबॉलिज्म सिस्टम डिमांड्स good taste but lesser in terms of richness of the food. So because of which we have hotels, we instruct them and we give them the age and the हमारे पास जो इंफॉर्मेशन होती है वो हम देते हैं इंक्लूडिंग द मेडिकल रिपोर्ट्स. सेकंड होता है लंच का जो पार्ट है वो हम बाहर करते हैं. वहां पे लंच जब हम बाहर करते हैं तो उस लोकेशन के हिसाब से काफी सारे ऐसे रेस्टोरेंट होते हैं जो लोग रेकमेंड करते हैं. काफी सारा कभी लंच ऐसा होता है कि पॉइंट ए से पॉइंट बी जा रहे हैं, ट्रांजिट पॉइंट पे है, तो वो हम लोकल लोगों से इनपुट लेके और उनसे डिस्कस करके फिर मेन्यू तैयार करते हैं. कोशिश करते हैं ये कि रिचनेस ऑफ फूड ज्यादा ना हो और जिनका रिक्वायरमेंट जिस तरह हो, मतलब क्यूरेट कर सके जितना हद तक ज्यादा हो, जितना हद तक बजट अलाउ करे. क्यूरेशन और ऑप्टिमाइजेशन की कोई लिमिट नहीं हो सकती, इट्स इनफाइनाइट. बट हैविंग सेड दैट, बजट के अंदर मेटाबॉलिज्म सिस्टम को देखते हुए और इंडिविजुअल टेस्ट को देखते हुए वी ट्राई एंड डू अ कंफर्टेबल फूड, नॉट अ वेरी इलेबोरेट फूड. बिकॉज अगर ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं तो इलेबोरेट फूड पे भी प्रॉब्लम होती है.
गुजरात में आए तो
उमेश जी इसमें ये बताइए कि 20 आदमी का ग्रुप है और उसमें 2 जैनीज हैं सिर्फ।
हाँ हाँ,
तो आपके लिए तो मुश्किल हो जाएगा ना 2 के लिए अरेंज करना।
आप शेफाली से मिले नहीं है। आप शायद बात वो बहुत
भामरी जी अगर आप गुजरात आए तो आपको जैन एक का भी मिल जाएगा फूड।
नहीं, गुजरात में तो मिल जाएगा, आई नो। मैं जब ट्रेवल भी करता हूँ तो वो यही पूछते हैं, जो वांट जैनी फूड और वेजिटेरियन हो तो प्लेन। लेकिन उनको समझ उनको समझ नहीं होती, जैनी फूड भी वो ठीक नहीं बना पाते। इसीलिए मैं इनसे बार बार पूछ रहा हूँ कि 2 आदमी जैनी हैं तो आप क्या करोगे जैनी फूड?
हम लोग होटल्स आप यू विल बी सरप्राइज, कश्मीर तक में जहाँ पे नॉन वेज फूड का इतना प्रेवलेंस है, वहाँ पे भी जैनी फूड के लिए स्पेशली कोर जैनी फूड जो नॉन अनियन नॉन गार्लिक जो ग्राउंड के नीचे, वो भी होटल्स आज बना के दे रही हैं। और 2 लोग हो, 1 पर्सन हो, वी एंश्योर दैट इट इज देयर। शेफाली का टाइटल जैन है।
अच्छा गुड। तो आप ये कहना चाह रहे हैं कि इवन 2 people there is no problem?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. And once again, thank you for calling me Devanand.
No, I mean you come out across like that.
Thank you.
Thank you.
प्रकाश जी आप कुछ कह रहे थे? Okay, any other questions? किसी को कुछ पूछना है?
उमेश जी आपका नंबर शेयर कर दीजिए।
Sure sir. रितु मैम को मैं दे दूंगा, she will share all the numbers.
या चैट बॉक्स में भी डाल सकते हैं if you wish.
Pavan ji, since we have partnered with them, like I mentioned earlier also, anytime when we are doing all these trips and all, we are doing in partnership with them. So जो भी हमारे मोहा के elders होते हैं, so of course any queries and answers are going to be given by them only, because जब हम plan कर रहे थे, so like, but the route will be through this only, so that Moha can be given that special thing as partners, and not just anybody joining in, though I know everybody is given due respect and taken care of, but even then. So any other questions?
Hello.
Hanji,
hello,
Mr. Pavan. Hanji, Mr. Pavan.
No other question.
Hello.
Hanji, Mr. Pavan gar. Hanji, we can hear you.
आपका टूर अभी काफी।
Hanji, now we can see you.
Hello.
Video is off. I think कुछ camera problem है।
नहीं आ गया अभी। हाँ जी बताइए मिस्टर गर्ग, डॉक्टर गर्ग, सॉरी।
मालदीव्स का जो टूर है उसमें माय 2 or 3 friends are going nowadays, काफी पॉपुलर हो रहा है। तो उसमें they are giving incentives to the young couples, I tell you, and I don't know to the elders they will give incentive or not. What is your opinion? What incentive they are giving? Special incentives they are giving in Maldives for the honeymoon package. Anything for elders? Anything for elders special package? Thank you.
Sure.
He is asking senior honeymoons.
मैं खुद ही ये बोलने वाली थी. The elders can also go for a honeymoon period, so special incentives can be given to them, and more so. But anyway, that was on the lighter vein. Umesh, back to you.
Sure sir. Sir, incentive हम मेरे को ये पता नहीं है कि क्या इंसेंटिव दे रहे हैं, बट आप रितु मैम से डेफिनेटली कनेक्ट कीजिए, आप इसका वैल्यू देखिए, और डिटेल्स में चाहिए तो हम और शीतल एक्सप्लेन कर देंगे। और इंसेंटिव मैं जा रहा हूँ
whiskey and all that. Sorry, pardon. It's all bottle whiskeys, bottle beers. They are giving free of charges to the.
Yes, so they don't tell
young
you.
Couples. But, they are the extra.
Okay. So they don't tell you. Island में ये provisions होती हैं कि होटल उनको unlimited alcohol देता है, but I mean, how much one can consume, and in such a beautiful place, again, people consume at night and entire day they waste. So It is up to them. वैसे basic क्या है कि ये alcohol is very very reasonable in hotels और non beverages भी I think they provide unlimited amount. वो पैकेज के ऊपर डिपेंड होता है. So
don't expect alcohol in Gujarat. At least Somnath Dwarka. Don't expect in Somnath Dwarka.
उमेश जी आपका कोई यूएसए का भी है क्या कुछ?
ये कंट्रास्ट जबरदस्त हो गया.
I know it Maldives.
USA.
I remember Pawan ji, you are a doctor, I guess. It is written Dr. Pavankar, right?
Yeah.
Okay. आप मेरी क्लास ले रहे थे. I know now.
नहीं क्लास नहीं सर. It's a information I got 2 days back. My 2 friends are going from Bathinda. They have made a package, but I was not knowing about you, and I would have been contacted you. So somehow packages they are going just without package. That they contacted directly.
It is it's a good year. So it's a learning. They'll
yeah.
Good. We'll come together again.
Thank you.
उमेश जी आपका यूएसए का कोई है क्या टूर?
सर अभी हम लोगों को यूएसए खुल गया है. वी आर नॉट श्योर अबाउट इट. मैं एक बार चेक करके शिफाली से ये कर लूंगा कब खुलने का प्लान है. कोई आउटलुक भी हमको स्पेसिफिक डेट्स नहीं मिले हैं, इसीलिए हम लोगों ने
8 नवंबर दे आर ओपनिंग ऑन 8 नवंबर.
हाँ वो मतलब न्यूज या ऐसे ही आ रहा है. गवर्नमेंटल या मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ होम मिनिस्ट्री से एक बार चेक करना पड़ेगा. वहाँ पे जो कॉन्टैक्ट है वो कैसे ये करते हैं कि व्हेन दे आर अलाउइंग एंड ऑल.
पेरेंटल और स्टूडेंट्स खुल गया है. So far I got the only parental and students because my son is there and he only told me 2 days back only parents and students, for them it is allowed.
Okay ma'am. Okay.
उमेश जी एक जहाँ शेक्सपियर वाज बोर्न, दैट्स अ प्लेस, आई एम फॉरगेटिंग द नेम.
हाँ.
Any plans for that? My husband must be knowing. It's in UK, I think.
Yes.
You know that place?
So yeah, we had in 2018 we had, so we continue to have such kind of trips. In other than that, I think Ritu ma'am को भी पता होगा, we have a historian also. आपको लिटरेचर में इंटरेस्ट है तो वी कंटिन्यू टू हैव सच काइंड ऑफ ये लिटफेस्ट के कुछ लोग भी आते हैं जो ऐसे फोरम्स में डिस्कशंस करते हैं. सो धीरे धीरे थिंग्स आर ओपनिंग. आई मीन इट विल बी ये आई मीन इट विल बी अ रियली नाइस मीटिंग फिजिकली एंड ग्रेजुअली.
नहीं अभी तो नहीं खुला. इट विल टेक टाइम. चलो let's wait for the things to be better and hope things are better.
It will open. And जहाँ तक I think that maybe by early next year धीरे धीरे सब खुलना शुरू होगा.
Hope so.
Yes.
पहले भारत में घुमा दीजिए सबको, फिर उसके बाद बाहर चलते हैं.
जी हाँ sure. Ritu, I think we are done.
I think if there are no more questions.
Okay,
I think there are no more questions now. So thank you so much, Mr. Umesh, for this very insightful session and letting us know more about the trips and how they are organized. So जैसे हम कहते हैं, when it comes to travel, age is no bar. So even when we speak about far away places, which are light years away, I think अगर वो rightly and अच्छे से manage हो, so अच्छे से plan किया जाए and it is according to your needs and all, it is always great to go out for a small holiday and all. And sometimes it's all about going to absolute new places, unheard of. कई बार क्या होता है, हम लोग सब टूरिस्ट डेस्टिनेशंस करते हैं, बट कई बार ऐसे हिडन जेम्स होते हैं जो इतने ब्यूटीफुल, इतने खूबसूरत होते हैं जो हम शायद मिस कर जाते हैं. When we go on Google sites, so off beaten tracks are also really wonderful to go to. And I think visiting destinations is always very, very nice, and a break away from a daily monotony of things. So here we are just basically, along with Care Voyage, we are just trying to, now that we are opening up after this COVID, for the last 2 years. So, these small trips, we just starting with all these things. So we hope that we plan out so many things and you all join in and have a great time. And you continue exploring new destinations and new places with us. So that is the whole point of bringing Umesh here, for explaining things of how a senior citizen travel kind of differs a bit, because इसमें बहुत ज़रूरी है कि normally when you book with other travel tours and travels and all, तो बहुत ही hectic pace पे होता है, and it's very, very tiring for people to rush from one place to the other. Sometimes you just want to imbibe the ambience in yourself. आप एक beautiful सी place देख रहे हैं, and you just want to sit there and absorb it and all that, rather than rushing. Oh, हो गया, देख लिया, photo खींच लिया, and let's just run to the next place, because उस दिन के लिए there are 6 itineraries which have been planned for you. So कई बार when we are walking and all, we want to look around, we want to do so many things, we want to walk slow. So all these things are kind of included when we go through, when we have senior citizens, we have to take care of all the things. Yes. So that is the whole purpose of, organizing the tour, wherein, it's all the elders, and accordingly everything is planned.
Right. Yes.
Umesh ji, one more thing. Can you include more places from Dwarka and Somnath nearby?
सर, ये जो ट्रिप्स का जो आइटिनरी होता है, ये स्पेसिफिक रीजन और स्पेसिफिक स्पीड की वजह से हम लोग हर जगह को इंक्लूड नहीं करते.
ठीक है.
और देयर इज इट इज सो मोर जगह ऐड करना इज नॉट अ वेरी डिफिकल्ट जॉब, बट व्हाट इट इज आपका जो फ्लो है, जो प्लान किया हुआ है, उससे अगर डेविएट करते हैं तो इट बिकम्स अ लिटिल चैलेंज. वैसे अगर मेरा
in between there is a ज्योतिर्लिंग.
ओके.
नागेश्वर.
अच्छा, मैं एक बार मैं इसको नोट कर लेता हूँ. मैं एक बार शिफाली से डिस्कस कर लूंगा कि ये एडेड है कि नहीं. और
I think पहले उमेश, she used to send a very detailed itinerary nearer to the trip. She used to share it with me earlier. तो पूरा डिटेल में डे 1 पे क्या है, डे 2 पे क्या है, डे 3 पे क्या है, all that was planned, and from where you are flying, or if you're traveling by bus, or if you're traveling by car, all that was explained by her every time before the COVID times. So I'm sure if that could be done again, it would be really helpful, which we can share with the elders, so that they will know exactly कैसे हम travel कर रहे हैं,
कौन है?
ठीक है. Yeah, Ritu, we will do that.
So I think thank you so much, Umesh, for this wonderful session, and of course we hope that we have many trips and we all get to travel to many places now that everything is opening up, and we look forward to that. So thank you so much for joining us here today, and being here and answering all the questions so very patiently. So thank you so much, and hope to see you here again with some more sessions, and letting us know about various tours and travels, though we keep passing on the calendars. But of course, and we also look forward to the virtual tours that we did with the elders a little earlier also. So we look forward to that also. So with that, we come to the end of today's session, ladies and gentlemen, and we hope that this was knowledgeable, and you got to understand how we planned the trips. So thank you so much, everyone, and now we will see you all tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock sharp for a physiotherapy session, and evening 5 o'clock we meet with Anupama. So till then, keep smiling, be happy, and think of all the beautiful places that we can visit.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you all. Take care.